Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. So in today's session, we'll see artificial intelligence and its integration with Spring Boot. As you know, AI is in every part of our life, integrated in each and every devices, and it has its own ecosystem. So basically, what is AI? What does it actually do? So if you go by the definition, okay, so AI is a system which is capable of performing complex tasks which humans could do. So whatever a human brain can do, same an artificial intelligence system can do. These tasks include decision making, problem solving, etc. To say in short, AI are machines which are designed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. And it further includes machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, that is NLP. Now we have something called as LLM. Okay, so when we integrate AI with Spring Boot, so what we do if you have seen or if you have used Chat GPT, okay, you give some prompt and based on the prompt you get some result, you get some answers. Now Chat GPT is a LLM, a large language model. Okay, and what are these models exactly? These models are nothing but a system which is trained using using huge amount of data. It understands the data, generates and responds just like humans do. Like we can question to this models and it will give us an answer. Say we can ask anything to that model, okay, like what is artificial intelligence, or what is or write a code to generate sum of two numbers. Okay, anything, any questions we ask to that LLM and it will provide us the response. But how can we use this in our Spring Boot application? Okay, now there are many LLMs which are provided. So we have ChatGPT, we have Anthropia, we have Google Gemini. Okay, but since these are very cost effective to integrate, we'll go with the free ones. So we have a tool called Ollama, and Ollama provides Code Llama, which is an LLM through which we can uh, do some prompting and it will generate an output. Okay, so we'll have the Spring Boot application which will create where we'll have some REST endpoints. Okay, and we'll connect the Spring Boot application to the Ollama server. Okay, that is some LLM models, and in between we'll be integrating Spring AI. So Spring AI will be kind of a bridge to integrate Spring. Yeah, so let's go to Ollama. I've searched for Ollama. Let's go inside this. Click on downloads and download the exe. Okay, download the respective software for Linux and Mac based on your operating system. So since I'm using Windows, I've downloaded for Windows and I've installed it already in my system. Okay, now uh, Ollama is only a tool. Okay, it's not an LLM. So we need a LLM on which we can give some prompts and it will give us some response. Okay, so for that, let's go with Code Llama. Okay, so if you see the description of Code Llama, a large language model, an LLM that can use text prompts to generate and discuss code. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Okay, and let me close this. Okay, it takes some RAM memory it requires. Okay, so I'll just paste this over here. Okay, now see it initialized because I already run earlier, so it didn't take much time to initialize Code Llama. Else it will take some, I think, around 5-10 minutes it takes to download it. Okay, it will download Code Llama in your system. Okay, so that will be around, say, I think somewhere around 3 GB or something. It will be okay. So it will take the time. Okay, now we'll test this. We'll just give it a prompt. What is AI? Uh, generate generate one liner answer. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, see, it is giving us the response, and yeah, it's a one liner. It's a short response as per my prompt. Okay, so we are good here. Okay, next thing we'll do is we'll download a Spring Boot application. Okay, so we'll go to Chrome, we'll go to Spring Initializer, we'll go to Initializer. Okay, and from here you can download the Spring Boot application, provide the package name, the group artifact ID, it's Maven or Java. Okay, since I have Maven and Java, I'm using this. You can select whatever uh, you all are using. Okay, um, I'm using Java 17 and YAML and jar. This is the configuration I've kept. Okay, this is the basic settings. The important part is the dependencies. Okay, what dependencies we'll need. So obviously we'll need web to create a REST controller, and we'll need OLLAMA. Okay. Okay, now see, there are different AI supports. Spring provide different AI supports. So we have Anthropic Cloud, we have Amazon Bedrock. Okay, we have, I'm not sure if, yeah, OpenAI is there. OpenAI will support for ChatGPT. Let's see, yeah, we have Google GenAI that will support for Gemini, but it requires the higher version of Spring Boot. And what we'll be requiring is Ollama. Okay, it's a freeware, so that's why we went for Ollama. So we'll add this dependency and we'll generate the project. Okay, so I have already downloaded the project. Okay, which I've already created. Okay. And if I go to the pom.xml, mm, so if you see, I have Spring Boot Starter Web and Spring AI Starter Model Ollama. Okay, which is also provided by Spring Framework AI. Okay, so these are the two dependencies and Spring Boot starter test. Okay, we don't need that, we can remove it if needed, but let it be. Okay, and so these are the two main dependencies what we were expecting and what is waiting for us to be used. Okay, so let me close this. We have the regular Spring application using the main method. Okay, and we have this application.yaml. Okay, now let's define server dot port and we'll run it on 8081. Okay, so let this be. Okay, now we need to tell the Spring. Okay, hey Spring AI. Okay, and what model we are using, like which tool, which LLM we are using. So a Spring AI, we are using Ollama and its base URL. Okay, we need to provide some base URL. Okay, like where my Ollama is currently running in my system. Okay, now since it is locally running, okay, if you see here, it is currently in running stage. Okay, so I need to provide some base URL to access it. Okay, so that base URL http colon double slash localhost colon 11434. Okay, now this is the base URL. Okay, again I will tell Spring AI Ollama chat model. Okay, now which chat model I'll need. Okay, now how you can get that? You can go to PowerShell and Ollama list. Okay, if you do Ollama list, you have the chat models. Okay, so I'll use the latest one. Okay, so let me restructure this. Okay, remove the space. Okay, so chat model is Code Llama latest. Okay, now we can have options. options in the sense what we can have is your temperature, or we have top K, top P. Okay, temperature is like how accurate you need the response. Okay, now if I put 0.7, it will the okay. So temperature depends on what type of response you want. Okay, so if you give a lower value, a lower temperature means it will generate on the spot answer. But if you give a higher value, it will generate say answer. It will not give you a fixed answer, but it's okay somewhere around or somewhere nearby the prompt or the question what you are asking for. Okay, so now that is very much in depth. We'll cover that going ahead. Okay, so let's keep it 0 0.7. Okay, now this is our basic configurations what you have done. Now let's create a controller. Okay, now new class code Ollama controller. Okay, let's okay, and let's mark this class as at the rate rest controller. Okay, and let's public response entity. Okay, we'll just return a string and we'll create a method chat. Okay, now for this chat, uh, okay, return response entity dot okay, okay, and some body. Okay, uh, response generated. Okay, and we'll return this. Okay, now in order to interact with the LLM, we need some prompt. Okay, so shall we accept it as request body? Okay, we'll go with say request param since it's a single value. We can go with query param also, but we don't want it in query param. Okay, anyways, it's fine. Okay, for testing purpose. Okay, we can go with at the rate uh, request param. Okay, and we'll provide some value to it. Say value. I'll provide query. Okay, and I'll do string message. Okay, so whatever I pass to the query param, it will get assigned to the string message. Okay, and let me do at the rate get mapping. Uh, get mapping will do slash chat. Okay, okay. Now we are just taking a message. Okay, and response entity dot will do this as message. Okay, now okay, we have created a REST endpoint, but what about the interaction with the Ollama? How we can achieve that? So for that we'll use chat client. Okay, that's a chat client we'll use. So we'll do private chat client. Okay, and chat client. Okay, so this interface again, if you see, um, is been provided by Spring Framework. Okay, nothing by Ollama or anything. Okay, so Spring AI provides a chat client interface. Okay, and we have various methods. We have create, we have the builder to instantiate the chat client. Okay, so what we'll do, we cannot directly auto-wire this. Okay, so we'll auto-wire it using constructor. So we'll do public code llama. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, Con controller. Okay, and what I'll do, chat client. I'll take the builder chat client client dot builder. Okay, and I'll do builder. Okay, and this dot chat client is equals to builder dot build. Okay, now I've initialized the chat client. Okay, using the chat client builder. Okay, now chat client again it is used to chat. Okay, with the client. Okay, so means chat with you can say to interact with Ollama. Okay, now uh, what we need is okay. Something popped up. Okay, so hope my server is still on. Yeah, my server is still up. Okay, okay. We need to prompt to this chat box or client what we have created. Okay, so this dot chat client dot we have prompt object and prompt string content. Okay, so we'll pass the message. Okay, now after giving the prompt we need to call it. So call chat client request. Okay, and call, and then we need to get the content out of it. Okay, so I'm giving the prompt, I'm calling out the LLM, and I'm fetching the content. Okay, so I can annotate this as string response content. Okay, and this string response content, I will pass it over here. Okay, so I'll be returning the response what I get as a part of the chat client prompt. Okay, what I get as a part of the prompt. Okay, now let's run this application. Okay, so Spring A Ollama run as Spring Boot app. Okay, and moment of truth. Let's see if our application is running. Okay, yeah, Spring Ollama started. Oops, let me scroll. Okay, and now we'll go to Postman. We'll create a get mapping HTTP colon double slash localhost 8081 slash chat. Okay, and what we have passed to the chat is a query, and now we'll give some prompt. Okay, same prompt. What is AI? Explain in one line, and I hit enter. Okay, let me do send. Okay, sending request. Okay, let's see if everything is on track. It should return us the response. Let's see if something is happening here or not. Okay, we'll close this. Okay, nothing is happening here. Okay, so directly it will hit uh, the server, and it will the local server, Ollama server, which is running, and it will generate the response. Okay. So regarding the port number, okay, till then, let me go back to the code. Okay, regarding this port number, so all this configuration is already been present on the Spring AI uh, website. Okay, on which server each of the respective LLMs are being hosted. Okay, so all these settings, configurations, you don't need to remember it, don't need to by heart it or anything. You can easily get it on Spring AI. Okay, yeah, yeah. So if you see, we have received the response from Ollama. Okay, so this is how exactly the ChatGPT model works. Okay, Ollama is a freeware which you use to uh, validate locally. You all can use ChatGPT. You all can go to OpenAI. So what I can do, you can go to OpenAI. Uh, and so not this one. Okay, yeah, platform, and from here you can create the API, you can start using it, but you need to add some uh, balances to it, some credit you need to add. Okay, just try adding those credits, so you can easily, yeah, go to billing. We have your go to billing, and you need to add credit. Okay, so you can add the credit, it will provide you the API key, and you all can use it in your Spring Boot application. Okay, same thing, you all need to add the dependency, the OpenAI dependency, using, then use the chat client, instantiate the chat client using constructor injection, using chat client builder. and you all can use this OpenAI. Okay, make sure to check which is the model which is less costly. Use that model only. Okay, now okay, we are good with Ollama. We have got the response. Okay, we have the response in hand. So we are good here. Okay, now as I mentioned, so the port where the Ollama is running is somewhere it is in Spring AI. We'll see that. Okay, we'll go to Spring AI. Spring AI has all the documentation what you need to develop your Spring Boot AI application. Okay, now this is what we implemented today. Okay, we have a data API which goes to the generative AI, and this bridge is connected by Spring AI, and generative AI will return us the response. Okay, so if you so these are the various features we did. We today we check for chat. We'll slowly we see for text to image, audio, text to speech. Let's go to learn. We have reference doc. So let's go to reference doc. Okay, now we have reference. Okay, we'll go to reference. Mm, yeah, see, we have the rack also. Okay, we'll see all this one by one. Okay, we have models. So we'll go to model. We have chat model. We have Ollama. Okay, we'll go to Ollama. We'll scroll down. So this is a dependency what we added, and this is the yeah. If you see base URL, Spring Ollama base URL, and it's localhost 11434. Okay, so that what we configured in our application dot properties. Well, yeah, go to the stocks. It has so many properties what you can use to fine tune your models. Okay, so fine tune is uh, a concept. Okay, we'll see into it in upcoming videos. Okay. Now we have used Ollama, so you all can uninstall Ollama if you all have finished the training. It consumes a lot of RAM, so we can go with AWS. So if you don't have AWS, do create an account in AWS and create an IAM user. Don't do anything on the root user. Okay, so this just to show I've logged in through your root user. Okay, you go to Amazon Bedrock, or if you are coming first time, you go to Amazon Bedrock. Okay, so Amazon Bedrock. So if you see the easiest way to build and scale Gen AI application with foundation model. Okay, foundation models are some models in which some kind of training is done to generate accurate responses. Okay, now just to start over, forget all this. We can go to test playground, select a model. So we go to Amazon Nova Micro. So that is the I think that is the cheapest one. We have DeepSeek, we have NVIDIA Chat, OpenAI, which provides us Chat GPT. Okay, click on apply, and yeah. So mode is what chat single prompt. Okay, we'll go to chat. Chat means it will keep the conversation mode on, like as you see in Chat GPT. Okay, it keeps the conversation mode. Okay, so what is AI? How to integrate in Spring Boot? Generate short answer. Okay, and you see, it has provided some response. Okay, um, so this is how you can play around with this, but do check for pricing, or else you will keep on sending the prompts and it will increase your billing. So keep a track on the billing as well. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for this session. As I said earlier, we'll work more on Amazon Bedrock since it is easily available. There's uh, not much of task to do, like account creation or something. Okay, it's straightforward. Yeah, and stay tuned. Please do like, share, and